if somebody developed an AI application that was an agent that did both the email and called to debate prior authorization, I feel like that would be such a good, like, I feel like physicians would pay out of their own pocket for a subscription to that.
Yeah,
That's like
you're right.
that's like a multi-billion dollar business, like not market cap, like revenue business.
Let's just hang up after the podcast and start building this.
Let's just raise money on that.
Right.
No, but I think that's the exciting thing now is that, there's so many different applications and of course ways for founders to kind of quote unquote vibe code, but also figure out like true innovations. On the other side of it, like something that we've noticed is this like movement on, I think Alan Cohen of DCVC really coined this term of tech med,
Right.
Which is like medical innovation, but like really leaning on the tech side in terms of SaaS and applications. Have you guys like looked more into on the tech med movement?
So again, we are a medical device company, right? And we can't do much with that technology, right? So we've been, we have AI, these days, past couple of years, everybody called it AI, but we have, stuff similar to AI that people called like 20 years ago, right? There's nothing new to us because, we know for a fact with the technology, we're not just selling an MRI, right? We can solve more problems. We can enhance our MRI, our CT, our imaging solution, our diagnostic solution. So we've been around the corner once or twice. So we know for a fact that having that technology piece is as important as having just a physical product.
And is Siemens on the partnership side? Have you guys explored any meaningful partnership or potential partnerships with, let's say, like big tech companies, or not so much?
So we do, we have partnership, with Microsoft, we have partnership with AWS, Google, and name it, all the big guys, So a lot of them come to us because they know, with our operation or, their distribution or network, they really want to work with us. So, we do a lot of stuff with them, with all of those and more companies on the tech side, the big guys.
Got it. And, so, by the way, Camille, I appreciate you spending time with us today. Like, as we kind of round things out, just curious, like, again, like, selfishly asking questions for like startup founders. Where does somebody like you hang out? Like, what kind of conferences do you like to go to and why? And what is, what are some like go-to conferences you'll definitely be at, like coming in 2026?
So I will be at JPM Health in San Francisco. There's another one at the same time, Biotech Showcase, I think that's what it's called. So I will be there. There's a very good one every year in September that our partner, our customer, Mass General Hospital in Boston, they have what is it called? MedTech Innovation Forum. I think that's what it stands for. So they have that one. So I usually go to that one too. So they bring a lot of, thought leader, KOLs, talk about the new trends, the new technologies. I was just in health a couple of weeks ago, to maybe a week or 2 weeks ago in Vegas. And that was good.
So that's a wild conference, by the way.
It is. And, it's Vegas too. So extra wild. Yeah. So again, I try to go as much as I can to these conferences, getting in front of, the startups, talking to them. But, I try to be also open on LinkedIn. So I'm trying to be more engaged, more active, myself and my team on LinkedIn to just find out, who's building what people are doing, how could we, connect with them. A lot of people reaching out to us through LinkedIn. That's been a good source for us, just getting engaged with that community.